Surah Al Quraysh. Surah Al Quraysh.
Yes, you can recite it even.
Yes, yes.
Pardon.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف.
There are many calamities as wars. There are many calamities as wars and diseases. So why here reference was made only to hunger and security against?
This is specific. Translation, please. You see, this answer relates to the opening statement that because of this Khana Kaaba, they travel far and wide, come to it, and then return. Because of that, Quraysh are taken care of. And because of that, no fear of people invading them automatically results from this visit of Hajjaj from different places to Khana Kaaba. So Amanahum min Khawf is during that specific situation, not for all situations. During the Hajj there is peace. It used to be peace even in those days. And because of the Hajj, the people of Quraysh are fed. People come and spend their money in it, bring gifts from all over the world. So this is the meaning of this Amanahum min Khawf. Atamahum min Ju'in wa Amanahum min Khawf. Remove Hajj and Mecca will be left without any possible bread because it's in the middle of a desert.